Hey there friends, ETPC here. Today we are checking out the Duracell 5 LED puck lights with directional bases. Picked these up at Costco. It comes with some batteries, 5 lights, a little remote, and different colored lights and stuff. I guess the remote you can change how long it's on for and all that. Comes with some sticky pads. So let's get this thing open. It looks pretty cool. I took the liberty of kind of helping open this up a little bit here. Maybe it's kind of tough packaging. Hulk smash, Hulk tear, Hulk drop something. Okay, it's pretty tough packaging here. Obviously didn't intend for anyone to get this into this easily. It's okay, because what fun would it be if we couldn't just rip it open, right? Like whatever we're opening. Okay, so there's one little guy. I guess that's the base. Okay, and there's a little dome light. I guess you can just put that thing on there. I'll have to check that out later. Meanwhile, okay, there's a little sticky pad it comes with right there. Okay, looks like we're getting to the remote. They're not making this easy. This is like definitely some tricky packaging here. I mean, okay, got the remote. It's solid. Okay. Good night. This is no joke. Come here. Okay, so there's the second one. That was easy. If you're a hero. Good golly. Good thing I'm in shape, because this box is giving me some trouble here. Alright, here's the third one. 2 to go. I think we're okay. One more. Now I just got to get the batteries out of there. It should be fun. Okay, so there's the fifth one. And now we just need to get the batteries, and they're all hidden down here. So seriously. Kidding me, right? I mean, who packages like this? Okay, batteries. This is probably actually the toughest unboxing I've done for a while. Okay, and least but not last, there's another little sticky pad there. And all the batteries, you got 5. Okay, so that wasn't bad. I think I still have all my fingers. So what we got here is these little directional bases. They rotate, looks like, probably about 45 degrees and 360 degrees that way also. So these can stick on there. And another sticky part here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this all set up, do a little review when we're done with that. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Wow, 4 minutes to open that. That wasn't bad. I mean, I'd like to see you guys do better without any tools. Anyways, we'll see you later. All right, my friends. So what we're going to do is put a battery in this bad boy. You simply line up the little arrows, open it up. It takes 3 AAA batteries. Make sure you get the pluses and minuses correct. And you got 2 that's set on either side. And then one that's staggered a little and goes in the top. Okay, so what's kind of cool about these is when you put the batteries in, then they're magnetized to the base of the thing. So what you want to do, line up your arrows again, like that, see the arrows right here on the side, and then it'll turn. Okay, so the base now, it's magnetized, so it holds it in there, which is really kind of cool, and it has a 360-degree rotation, although I'm not sure why it matters if this can spin or not, because, well, I guess you can angle it. Yes, you can angle this in any way you want as well, so that's kind of neat. There's that. So before I put the batteries in, nothing holds these things in, they just fall out. But when you put the batteries in, they are magnetized, so they stay in. Let's see, those got batteries or magnets in them as well. So I'm going to put the batteries in the other ones real quick here. There's one. And let's get these done, and we'll be back. Okay, we got the batteries in, and now we're going to test out the remote. So it comes with this pretty neat little remote. It's got power on. Ooh, those are pretty bright. So power on, you can change them to white, red, blue, and green. And then you have timers here. You can set the timers. So if I want them to go off in 10 minutes, I just set the timer. It has 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60, and 2 hours, or a minute and 20. To turn them off, you simply hit that. So I'm going to see how bright these are. Hit the light real quick here for the room. And then we'll turn on these. So let's turn on to white. There we go. And then you can make these dim. If you hold down the dim button here, it makes it dimmer. And you can hold down the bright and it makes it brighter. So it's pretty bright, I guess. I mean, for little lights like that. I'm going to put these underneath my counters, get those all hooked up, and we'll see how it goes from there. So these are pretty cool. They are LEDs, so they'll probably last a long time, and they put out a decent amount of light. So I did have that. I didn't know if I showed you the dimmer part here, so I'll make it. You actually see with that. So make it dimmer, hold it down, and it gets bright. So that's as bright as it goes right here. And I wonder what the range is on here. Let's see, and if I have to point it directly at it, so I'm pointing it kind of up. It's working. Okay, that's still working. I wonder if I back off a little bit more, see what the range is here. So I'm going outside the room.
I do not.
Still working. So I'm about probably 15 feet away now.
Do you have any tills?
Still working, so it's pretty good range on that, and doesn't necessarily need to be pointed at it, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to get these put underneath my cabinets and show you how it works. Okay, so we got the batteries in. We got the little sticky pads here. I'm not sure if it matters which one to put on, so I'm just going to put on both sides are sticky. Put it right in the center. There's got a little circle. There's that. Okay. Same with this other one. We're going to put these underneath our counter. Underneath the cabinets. Oh boy, that's not centered. Oh! Well, that's not coming off there, so good enough, I would have to say. So let's take off this and get it centered. If I can get it off of there. Trying to get it off of here. Okay. So we have that. And I'm going to put it up underneath the cabinet here. So I'm probably going to try to get it centrally located right about this way more. Yes, right there. And there it is, my friends. Sticking up nicely. Okay, so let's move over to here and get the other one on there. First, I'm going to take this off. If I can. Okay, yes. And I'm going to locate this right up under here. And right about here. Or this way more. This way more. This way more. This way, this way. Okay. There? Okay. It's on there. Okay. There we have it. And we'll get the other ones done. Okay. So this one I took the liberty of already taking the tape off, so we'll be we have a light right about here.
Because one goes here and one probably
here.
Okay.
It's there. Okay, and now another one right about here.
Okay.
Okay, not exact, but good enough for government work. At least, but not last. We'll put this other one right in the center, approximately right there. Okay, so let's hit the lights. See how this looks here. Alright, so get our little remote, turn them on. They're all red.
Oh, change color?
Yeah. Okay. So, can you hit this light? Never mind, we'll get it. And we'll turn the light all the way bright as possible. Okay. So that's as bright as it gets. Turn that one white. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like. Little lights underneath there like that. Looks pretty cool, I guess. And then we can turn them different colors if we want.
Well, I don't see what color.
Looks like it's like kind of directional now when I point it. It doesn't seem to be as I kind of have to point it at that one light I want. So those ones. So I can't just hold it in the middle and they all change. And then there's the green. So basically the ones I'm pointing at, well, so much for that. They all change that time. And then white. So that looks actually pretty cool, I think. Then obviously you can rotate these, so if you want it a particular direction that you want it to shine or whatever, then you can do that. Like that, and then rotate it that way. Or this way, so you can kind of aim it, which is pretty cool. Then also if you want to pull it out and set it on the counter for a little candle type thing. The little magnets hold it in place, so that's that. That's the setup. That looks pretty good. I'll be doing the review here in just a minute. Alright, my friends, so in final thoughts, these capstone LED puck lights with the directional base from, you can pick them up from Amazon or wherever. They're pretty cool, actually. Turn them on, different lights. So the review, I think they're handy. I'm not sure how long they last. I think they last probably a long time. They're LED, for goodness sake. So you probably can get a long life out of them for the battery charge. Let's see. So as far as functionality and just ease of use, they're probably 8, 9 out of 10, and just for being a neat little light and things you can do with them. So I'll give them 9 out of 10 stars. I mean, they're pretty neat little device here. So I like them, and I hope you like this review, unboxing / video. You guys have a great day, and see you next time.